Hi, my name is Chris Lott with Brownfield Science and Technology. In this video, we're going to show you how we weld HDPE pipe together for treatment systems, water management systems, whatever it may be. So for this, we're doing expansion loops for a long run of pipe that we're doing out in the field. You take these sweeps, these are both HDPE pipe. They're 90 sweeps. For the top of the sweep, it'll be just basically a U. We take the pipes, you mount them in the vise over here, and you line them up, get everything nice and level, clean the pipe, face it down, and you use a heat plate to weld the pipe together.
Can you just show us the equipment that you use to do that, Chris?
Yep. So this is the vise. You line your pipes up in here. One side will move, one side is stationary. You want everything to be completely level and flat to each other. You want a nice smooth edge around the pipe so that when you make your weld, everything will be heated at the same time and will completely melt together once the pipe itself is pushed together. Once you have it all lined up and level the way you need it to, you clean the pipe with 91% alcohol. It just makes sure that the outside of the pipe is completely clean, just as the interior pipe that's never been exposed to the elements. This is called a facer. It goes between the pipes inside of the vise, and it will evenly shave both sides of the pipe, whatever you're connecting to. And then once you've cleaned and faced it all the way down, close it again to make sure it's completely level, and then pull out your heat plate, which is over here. Goes in between the pipe. You clamp the vise together. There will be a small bead about 1/8 of an inch thick that will form, and once it's completely formed around the entire pipe, you start a timer. Depending on your thickness of your pipe and your wall thickness, the diameter of the pipe itself, there's different time frames. For this pipe, it's 4-inch pipe. It's about 1 minute and 50 seconds for heat time. Once that's done, you unclamp it from the vise, take it out. You have about 10 seconds to put your heat plate down, and then you apply pressure until you hit refusal on the pipe, and you lock the pipe in place. The bead, which is over on these pipes, will wrap out a couple times until you hit that refusal point, and you'll have a nice even line straight down the middle, and that's the actual weld itself on the inside of the pipe. And then you leave it, for this pipe it's 4 minutes and 30 seconds for cool time, and then once that's done, you pop it out of the vise and you're good to go with whatever else you need to do with it.
That was awesome. Thanks, Chris.
That's it.